Do you have an all-in-one solution for leveraging Microsoft Word and Excel in collaborative group environments? The ActiveBoard 500 Pro fully supports Microsoft Word and Excel functionality. Its large interactive surface allows users to share detailed information in a collaborative group environment. Pen and Touch technology provides effortless interaction with documents and spreadsheets. If using Windows 7, users can launch integrated tools such as the virtual keyboard for real-time content editing. The Active Pen allows for precise annotation anywhere on the ActiveBoard, whether it's used for adding notes or as a highlighter. Edited documents or spreadsheets, including annotations, can be saved and easily shared for individual review.